So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chewy chocolate chip cookies. Here are the ingredients that you need: chocolate chips, brown sugar, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, butter, egg, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. And here are the tools that you need: a big bowl, whisk, measuring cup, measuring spoon, ice cream scoop, fork, strainer, and let's get started. Put 1/2 cup sugar into the bowl. Next, grab 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/2 cup of melted butter and mix it all up. So after you get the consistency like that, add 1 large egg to the mixture. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk all of it together. So this is the kind of texture that you should also have. Now we're going to be adding 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And now mix all of them up until it becomes a smooth texture. So it should look like this. And now add 1 teaspoon of chocolate chips and mix it all up. It should look like this brown colored texture. Now cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for a while. Now get the ice cream scoop and scoop out the final texture. Put it in the oven for about 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. Ta-da! Enjoy! Chocolate chip cookies are the most famous cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are a quick source of carbohydrate, thus keeping hunger away.